Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be looking at a song titled Defender by Upperroom. Okay, so this song is in the key of G major. Sorry, I made a mistake there. So it's G. And so the song consists of an intro, a verse, there's a pre-chorus, chorus, and a bridge. So I'm just going to start with the intro. The intro just is two chords. It's just a G major and a C major. There's a simple trick that they use on this song, and it basically involves keeping the fifth of the root, which is, in this case, my root is G major, so the fifth would be D. So the simple trick is to keep D in every chord that I play, and it sounds very nice. So it's just G and C. So I'm not playing C in root position. All I'm doing is I'm keeping the same notes that I'm playing for all the chords. It's very beautiful. Okay, so that is just the intro. It's just those two chords going back and forth. Okay, so now let's move over into the verse. There's about 3 verses, if I'm not mistaken, and all of them use the same chords. So I'm just going to show you one verse, and it should apply to all of the rest. So we're still continuing with the two chords, G and C. So now we go to the E minor. Just notice how I'm always keeping this D note in every chord, and it's always on top. I'm gonna do that again. So it's G to C, back to G, okay, now we go to E minor. This is a E minor 7 to D major, back to E minor 7. Okay, now we're back into the instrumental, which is the intro chord. Okay, now the second verse, and that is how the verses go. Now I'm just gonna dive into the pre-chorus. Pre-chorus starts with a G major chord with a B note on your left hand. That is followed by a C major, and then followed by a D major, which you can look at it as a D major 4 as well, and then lastly a C. And so if we just analyze what we're doing here, we're just moving up the scale of G, starting on the B note to C, to D, and back to C. And that's just the bass line. And all I did was worship, and all I did was bow down, and all I did was pray. And that is the pre-chorus. Now the chorus starts with the D major chord into an E minor chord to C, and then you hold C for 4 beats, back to D, E minor, and C. Those are the only 3 chords for the chorus. So you're holding D major for 2 beats, 1, 2, E minor for 2 beats, 1, 2, and then C major for 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so after the second chorus, there is an interlude. Which utilizes the chords of the chorus, but you are playing a melody line on top. Okay, so after that whole interlude, we go into the bridge, and the bridge starts with the G over B. Introduce me to your love. You picked up all my pieces, pull me back together. You are the defender of my heart. Okay, so I'm not a singer, but that was just to demonstrate where I was. It's basically the same chords as we played in the pre-chorus, and that's pretty much all the parts of the song. It shouldn't be too difficult. It's in an easy key. And very easy voice leadings. They sound very advanced, but in reality, it's really just moving your left hand while your right hand just stays in one position. So yeah, guys, and that's it for this episode. If you are new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe, and feel free to put your song requests in the comment section. And thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.